Guys, today I have the unsolved cube here and I will going to show you how to solve a one side of a cube. Sorry, I can't show you the all side solving and full solving, but I will show you how to solve the one side, and it is for kids. So first of all, you need to make a plus or a cross here. So I will make a cross here. Here's and here and here. Here you can see the solve. Oh, now how to solve the edge? I will show you the trick. First do like this and do like this, then do like this and do like this. Now continuously do this thing. Now I'll show you how to do. Now you need to do that. You turn it here like this will do. Again go to back, again like this, and do it continuously. Like this, like this, again like this, like this, like this, like this, and you can see here's the part. Now solve it. Now here's the part. So like this, and this, like this again, like this, like this, like this, and the outside. Wait for my next video and please like and subscribe.